Okay, so today it's time for Auxbeam.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
We'll be changing the Auxbeam LED, and we have the T10 for the Auxbeam as well. So we're changing out the stock headlights LED, and so let's see how bright is the current projector bulb, and after that we change, we'll see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the normal LED bulb. Okay, so this is the LED that I have now, the T10 that blinks around, and projector style headlight. Okay, then we'll be removing this one and replacing it with the Auxbeam. Okay. Okay, so this is the projector style LED headlight. So it has to have this LED driver, and the fan is attached to it like this. Okay, so then the Auxbeam looks like this. It's actually similar in size, but the fan will be a bit longer, I think. And yeah, the fan should be better cooling, bigger fin, longer depth, and the installation of this should be easier, and we don't need the canvas decoder for this Japanese bike, because the canvas decoder is actually for European bikes that get rid of the error codes when you install the LED bulbs, because Europe bikes tend to have error codes when you change the light bulbs. So yeah, let's go ahead and change the Auxbeam. Okay, so there you have it, the installation of the Auxbeam. So the ignition parking light will be like this. White LED light. The headlight have been installed along with the T10 from Auxbeam. So let's see how bright it is in the controlled situation. Let's check the light. So after that, I'll be having to check the height of the Auxbeam. So yes, this is a very simple installation of the lights. Everyone can do it. So we'll see what it looks like at night. Okay, so I'm at Genting. So to test out the Auxbeam. Okay, so the Auxbeam initial review. Yes, I can see that the Auxbeam is very bright. It is so sufficient even in such conditions. So enjoy some footage of the Auxbeam. So on the way up to makan dinner, maybe supper lah, because everyone say wanna go, but end up PJ rain, then a lot of people don't want to go. So today I solo go lah. So the Auxbeam actually really shine a lot, especially at very dark areas.
it illuminates it really well. But if, like, let's say places with a lot of street lights like this area, it is not bad as well. But I mean, if there's enough light illuminating the road, you wouldn't need the power from the Auxbeam. So the Auxbeam is like literally, for example, if your bike doesn't have spotlight like mine, example, so this one will actually be a very good field light for the area that you're going to. But of course you cannot compare it with those cars, HIDs or some sort. But I mean, for like H4, for two pieces of H4s, it only costs you 330 ringgit. So one pair about 185. No, is it? 165, sorry. So it is actually quite worth it in my opinion, for such a bright bulb that you have no problems with at night. Even though I have spotlight, I don't really need to on the spotlight. So now I'm with my visor down. My visor is 75%. The light only goes through 15%. At this hour, 9:36 in Genting, and I still can see the bloody road. Man, just imagine how good these bulbs are, man. High beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. I really like it, man. So thank you Auxbeam for sending me these bulbs. Really love it. Amazing bulbs, worth every penny you spend.